How to fix your Tinder cannot create account in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or even restart your router. Always use a valid email or mobile number that you can access in order to go ahead and create your account. Also, you must be 18, at least 18-year-old to create a Tinder account. So simply go ahead and make sure that your date of birth is correct. If you're on an Android device, you can simply go to Settings, Apps, Tinder, Storage, and simply go ahead and clear cache. You can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the application instead, and you can simply go ahead and check if there are any updates on the application available on your App Store or Play Store. If none of it works, you want to simply go ahead and contact the support of Tinder. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.